Hey guys, how you doing? So today we're going for a bit of a bike ride. Az and I have organised to get ourselves a couple of the Himalayans. And we're going to head from Leh up to the Khardungla Pass, which is thought to be the highest motorable road in the world. Well, some sources say it is, but there is a bit of debate on that. So whether it is or not, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure it's going to be amazing anyway. It's over 5,000 meters. You climb that in 50 kilometers, or you climb about 2 kilometers in 50 kilometers, so it's going to be pretty amazing. Az is going to turn around and come back. I'm going to continue on, hence the little pack there. I'm going to try and make it to Turtuk, which is the most northern village in India. If I can't get there, I'll get as far as I can. It's all just going to depend on fuel. So yeah, just waiting for Az to come and pick up his bike, then we'll shoot off and go for a ride. Okay, so some of the areas in Ladakh here, up around Leh, are still protected. So you need permits to go and visit these places. To go up Khardungla, you need one, and then because I want to spend the night up there, I'll have to get a 2-day permit. Costs about 600 rupees, 12 bucks. These guys here, Geographic Tours, are sorting us out, so I'm not 100% sure how long it takes, but we'll head in here, get it done, and then get on the road. Nice, so we've got our permit. Just go and fuel up the bikes and we're on our way. Alright, so Az is just grabbing his fuel. I got mine and we're heading up the mountain, baby. Right, so we've come to the first checkpoint for the permit that we got this morning. The dude's down there having a bit of lunch, so I'll just go down there and see him. And we're done. Lunch is done, fed and watered. Next stop, Khardungla. We're making our way up Khardungla, and as you can see, the road's getting a bit worse. It's also getting a little chilly. Check this out. It's flowing water that is now ice. Well, what was flowing water is ice. It's melting in the sun, but yeah, she's a little bit cold. I'm glad I bought my knockoff North Face pants. They're going very well. I'm feeling nice and toasty, so yeah, but what a ride so far. Wow, it's been amazing. Woohoo! Khardungla, the highest motorable road in the world, according to some. Though it seems that, yeah, I think it's been disproven, but it's still pretty amazing. There's literally snow right there. You can climb up. Snow right there. The snow-capped mountains over there. Snow-capped mountains over there. So it's pretty damn cool. May not be the highest road in the world, but yeah, it's pretty awesome, and the ride was fantastic. Nice bit of tarmac at the beginning, some good dirt at the end. The bikes did fantastically, so yeah, I'm a happy man. So Siraz and I are going to split. He's going to head back down to Leh. I'm going to continue down this way pretty much as far as I can get. It'll all depend if I can get fuel in Disik, I think it's called, or not. If I can get fuel there, I'll go to Turtuk. Otherwise, I'll just go as far as half my fuel tank will get me, and then I'll start heading back. So let's see what happens.